Yo guys, what's up? Gunna226 here. How's it going? Today we're looking at this package I got. It's from RMR. Let's see what we got. Been setting up to do some reloading. So, this is a fairly heavy box. Hard to open. Get the packing slip. See here. Oh, look at that. It's boxes within boxes. I like it. Good packaging. Interesting. These boxes are quite heavy. Looks like I got a bunch of cards, and of course I cut them. My box cutter. Oh, that's great. It's like a sticker. Bunch of cards. Nice. Keep track of my different loads. Here we got 500, 357, 158 grain. Nice. I'm not going to open these boxes just yet. Here we have 500, 40, 180 grain. Alright. And finally we got 500 or 45, 185 grain. Alright. Well, that's all I have for now. Stay tuned for more reloading. Looks like I have enough supplies here to do about 1,500 rounds. Got brass, got some primers. Still missing small pistol primers. They're tight supply. Anyway guys, if you know where to find some, let me know. Thanks for watching.